Hey guys, Jessie here from Tonkadale, and today I'm going to show you how to plant a tomato. Pretend that this is the ground, but because it's so wet and soggy outside, I'm not going to dig out there today. So we have prepared our garden bed or raised planter. We've amended it with some premium compost so it's all rich with nutrients and ready to go. I picked out one of the tallest tomatoes I could find. It's really fun. Sometimes you get the ones that are growing sideways or twisted and turning. Those are the best tomatoes to buy. So what we can do is we'll just gently wiggle this one out of the pot. You're going to want to remove the lower leaves. I'll show you why. Wherever there was a leaf, your tomato can develop really nice and strong roots. So when it's time to plant, you'll dig a very deep hole. And it's very easy to dig here because I'm just digging in potting soil, but you know, dig a hole twice the diameter of the pot. We're going to go nice and deep. Get it all ready, and you'll lower your tomato into the hole. And I can go a little deeper here. That's great. We don't want any of the foliage to be touching the soil because that can promote disease. But here we are. I have my tomato tone. It says to add about 3 tablespoons per plant, so that's like a handful. I think that looks like 3 tablespoons. We'll add that to the soil, and then cover them up nice and tight. Give it a nice strong pat, and then water well. Your tomatoes are going to need about 1 inch of water per week throughout the growing season. It's best to water from the ground and not overhead. This is better for disease control and management. It's best to plan on supporting your tomatoes as they grow up and up throughout the season. So go ahead and put that tomato cage on right after planting. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at Tonkadale.